Tesla has officially started rolling out FSD version 13 to owner. This is Tesla FSD Supervised version 13.2 that introduces Park, Unpark and reverse mode for the first time, featuring 6x improvement in miles between necessary human intervention versus FSD version 12.5.4. This latest version included in latest software update number 2024.39.10. And Tesla's Cybercab was running FSD version 13 at the Robotaxi unveiling on October 10. Tesla AI team members on FSD version 13 says it is probably one of the biggest rewrite in years when we begin set foot on the journey of photon count 4 years ago. This version upgrades every part of end-to-end driving network, delivering performance that's expected.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.